I appreciate your family being here and I appreciate the support, but it's all ridiculous when you look at your criminal history.
When this repeat offender got out of prison and went right back to committing crimes, the judge didn't buy his mental health claims and sentenced him to 20 years in prison.
You're Floyd Torrin, and this is cause numbers 25 DCCR 0974 and 25 DCCR 1152.
Judge, Mr. Torrin has an extensive criminal history. However, as he has gotten older, he has had some health issues. He has vision problems. He has been seen and treated at Spindletop MHMR for some mental health issues. He has a very supportive family who is here today, and I'd ask that the court take that into consideration in determining his sentence.
Judge, his extensive criminal history going all the way back to his juvenile years tends to show more about what he is and what he does than anything else. He's been given probation. He wasn't able to complete that. I don't feel like probation is appropriate. We would ask for TDC sentence in the high range on this.
Mr. Torrin, in 2019, you received a 15-year sentence. So you got out in 2023, and less than 2 years later, you've got 2 more felonies, which add up to your 11th and 12th felony offense. I understand there's some mental health issues, but you, as a grown man, have had every opportunity to get help in TDC, out of TDC, to live your life outside of prison, and you've chosen not to do that. Your only time clean is when you're in custody. I appreciate your family being here and I appreciate the support and I appreciate this letter, but it's all ridiculous when you look at your criminal history and the fact that you're on parole and you commit 2 more offenses and you're still using drugs and you haven't made, it's not like you're a young kid. You know what you need to do to get the help you need to get, and you've made a conscious decision not to do that. So at this time, in cause number 25 DCCR 0794, and this evading was crazy. I mean, you could have killed people. You got, I think it was twice you almost struck intersection of Interstate 10 and 7th Street, almost struck another vehicle. And then again at 7th Street and Dollinger, you almost struck another vehicle. You crashed through a fence. Then you continued to flee after you crashed through a fence and crashed again and finally came to arrest. I mean, it's not like you just kind of sort of evaded. Your behavior is just a danger to everybody here in Jefferson County. So that being said, 25 DCCR 0794, this time finds you guilty of an attempt to commit theft of property, sentence you to a term of 20 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. And cause number 25 DCCR 1152, this time finds you guilty of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle, sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 20 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Correction. And they will run concurrently, which means together at the same time.